Pus-U51Vc is an integrated audio and video conferencing solution for small and medium-sized conference rooms, suitable for 40 to 100 square meters room size. Providing high-definition video streaming and extremely perfect sound experience for your meeting, with simple operation, convenient and fast control, easy connection, and strong compatibility characteristic. Popular application in video conferences, unified communications, education, telemedicine. Filed U51Vc is a highly integrated solution product consisting of a wide-angle 10x zoom PTZ camera and USB omnidirectional microphone and customized relay hub. The connection is simple and easy to operate. Adopt a high-integration technology, customized wire cable, integrated video transmission, communication control, power supply, audio transmission as one, to achieve zero delay and full duplex communication, to provide customers enjoy real-time, high-definition video conferencing experiences. Equipped with 72 degrees wide-angle Full HD 10x zoom camera. Support 356 degrees horizontal and 120 degrees vertical rotation. Support up to 255 preset settings. Ultra quiet pan, tilt design, smooth movement, fast autofocus. All aluminum alloy structure, appearance, design and high precision presets. Location. Multifunctional USB omnidirectional microphone. It adopts deep echo cancellation, dynamic noise suppression, automatic gain control, 3-core audio process technologies. Support Bluetooth connection with mobile phone, PTZ control and zoom in and out, call presets, pick up and hang up. Built-in 4-way array microphone with 360 degrees cover. Speaker volume can reach 100 decibels and 16-level speaker digital volume adjustment. Microphone pickup distance up to 8 meters. Relay hub support 1-key power supply and USB 2.0 plug-to-play. Full compatible with mainstream video conferencing and communication software such as Zoom, Skype for Business, Cisco WebEx, Google Hangouts, Microsoft Teams. Support Windows, Android system, Linux, Mac, iOS, and other operating systems.